We made the room feel more welcoming, creating the accent wall and making wallpaper installation above vertical boards. Walls were smooth and already prepared for installation. We measured each piece of wallpaper and installed by matching the pattern on the wallpaper. Correctly installed wallpaper around the elements of the ceiling, we came to an excellent result. The perfect combination of wallpaper with a board and batten made this wall an accent wall and created homely comfort.
Wallpaper Pro Installation.
9168919 202